team. From last August, I'm working here. It's about only 1 month.
Okay, what are the differences that you have found from university to now? From what equipment you had, what education you got, to this 1 month of practical experience?
Actually, I had to tell that earlier on they had a program on South Coast program. So during that time, me and some of my friends had the opportunity to join here and to work as trainees. So we came here there and had a good training. So after that, we realized that there's a big difference in this group, because actually this is the only place I think that we can, as veterinary students, we have the only place that learn this type of procedures. Actually, in Sri Lanka, we don't practice. We don't have that. The standards are not to that extent. So here, I think the best place for someone who can learn a lot of things about this practice, veterinary practices especially about the mobile clinics. So otherwise, in other places, actually they have less facilities and things, but here with limited things, we do a lot.
Did you have the same practical experience at Veeradhini as you're having right now?
Actually, it's a little bit different, but I think this is somewhat higher than that practice, because in Veeradhini actually it is based on the teaching purpose, but here it's something related with the animal welfare. So there's a little, actually not little, actually big difference between those two. But in Veeradhini also there are some standards, but when comparing with their purposes, because teaching also we can't practice that much of to maintain that much of sterility on the surgery procedures, like there are some practical problems. But in here it's actually in the meaning is the animal welfare. No, here we practice that. No.
Now, Dr. Nalnika is trying to set up a thing called the VIP. Have you heard of this? Which is
Yes.
an advanced education to train doctors once they graduate from Veeradhini to have the same international standards. Do you think that's a needed service in this country?
Certainly, it's
Huh?
yes, because actually we compare with the other weights, in other countries. Actually, in Sri Lanka, it's a little bit lower standard. So actually, we need to go for that standard. Definitely, we should go. We have to do that. Actually, it's a good program, I think.
What have you found that is unique in this work environment?
Actually, as a, I don't think I didn't feel anything special in here that need, but when we working together, we should have a good understanding among the team like that. But now I think it's here. So already, I don't feel anything other than that.
So you don't feel there is a difference and you are treated in a different way because you are a junior, the most junior doctor here.
Yeah.
You feel any that kind of separation or?
No, actually, they treat me as that they are one of their members. So actually, I don't feel that.
You feel part of the team?
Yes, actually, I'm a part of a team. I feel that.
What are your long-term goals and aspirations?
Well, actually, I want to be something. I want to do something special. It means as a veterinarian, because this is my field. So I want to be someone who is very famous, like that. Famous. Actually, the good example is Dr. Nalinika, because everyone knows her. So I like to be someone like her. because in one day if someone telling Dr. Sirimavan is, so I want to be someone who is popular like that.
Have you sat and have this conversation with Navinika that you would like to be like her?
Actually, I didn't tell her.
Do you know what kind of time and hours she puts into the clinic and her work?
Yes, I have some idea about that because she's very actually what is called. I think she's very busy and yes, she's hard working one. So.
And you're willing to, you're prepared to do as much.
I think so.
To achieve what she's trying to achieve.
I will try and see because I have some long time now.
Where is your family? They are up in Colombo?
Yes, now actually I'm living at Horana, it's Gonapala. And I am the only child, and both of my parents are with me. So actually my father is from down south and mother is from Colombo. Then yes, we are now living at Gonapala.
And you are still living with your parents,
yeah.
So they look after you and everything?
Yes.
Do you have any ideas of how Blue Port Trust can be improved, or any ideas like that you feel that you can?
Actually, I think we need to go for I think the publicity is a little bit low about us. I think it means we have to do some propaganda, and the people should know about what we are doing. Actually, some people think that actually these things. Normally, earlier these people euthanize these dogs. Then we are going to cash in these things. Some people still think that we are going to euthanize those things. But we should give a correct idea to the general public what we are doing here. So then after that, still there are some with these cultural beliefs. People think that doing the sterilization is something. It's not good with this. They think believe on this karma, other things, and we have to explain what the purpose of this and things, and we have to do something mind change, and then.
Do you find that people are unaware of the law that euthanasia of animals is illegal in this country and it's not being done?
I think so because. Normally in the clinics also the people come and ask for the euthanasia and something but actually what I feel is actually people don't know about the law thing. Well, then normally we have to if we rear a dog we have to register it, and there's some law like that, but I don't think anyone is doing that.
So do you think there would be a benefit for Blue Port Trust in your work if there was the same kind of campaign like for AIDS and dengue fever on national TV? Would make a big difference to the work you are doing?
Sorry, pardon?
I said like AIDS and dengue fever.
Mm-hmm.
If there was awareness campaign on television, do you think that would fulfill your vision of
yes.
People's awareness in the work you are doing?
Well, I think it's a part of this, should be a part of this. Other than that, we can educate the people. I think it's normally now it's doing with the dramas and things, and from we can educate these school children like those people, because they, other than the adults, the children believe on I think they believe us. So because some of them are they like to be a future veterinarians like things, so that we can educate them and give a good we can understanding for them.
Who was the one who inspired you into the veterinary field?
But
Or
actually,
was it out of you not being able to be a medical doctor, you had a choice of a medical doctor